foldable phones are getting better, smarter, and more powerful than ever. In 2025, we have some incredible foldable devices that offer cutting-edge technology, stunning displays, and top-tier performance. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best foldable phones of 2025. From sleek flip phones to productivity-focused foldables, we've got the best picks for you. Whether you're looking for a premium flagship or a budget-friendly option, this list has something for everyone. Make sure to watch till the end to see which foldable takes the top spot. And if you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more awesome tech content. Now, let's jump right in. Number 3, Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 is a stylish, compact foldable smartphone that builds on its predecessor with key improvements. Retaining the iconic clamshell design, it now features a stronger hinge and improved dust resistance, IP48 rating, making it more durable. The 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED main display is vibrant, with a peak brightness of 2600 nits, ensuring excellent visibility even in direct sunlight. The 3.4-inch cover screen remains useful for quick tasks, but still lacks full app support. Performance-wise, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor and 12GB RAM deliver smooth multitasking and gaming. The 4000 mAh battery offers better endurance, lasting a full day with moderate use, though charging speeds remain at 25W wired and 15W wireless. The camera system is greatly improved, featuring a 50MP main sensor for detailed shots and AI-powered zoom. However, zoom quality deteriorates beyond 5x. Running One UI 6.1.1, the Flip 6 introduces AI-powered features like real-time translation and sketch-to-image. While expensive, it's a top choice for foldable fans who prioritize style and innovation. Verdict: a sleek, powerful foldable with meaningful upgrades, but still some minor drawbacks. Number 2, Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. The Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold is Google's latest attempt at a foldable smartphone, offering a premium design, powerful AI features, and an improved camera system. It features a 6.3-inch Actua OLED cover display for quick tasks, while the 8-inch Super Actua Flex inner display provides a tablet-like experience with a 120Hz refresh rate. The new redesigned hinge makes it slimmer and more durable, improving the folding experience. Performance is driven by Google's Tensor G4 chip, paired with 16GB of RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking and AI-powered enhancements. Running Android 14, it comes with 7 years of software updates and exclusive AI features like real-time translation and Gemini Live Assistant. The camera system includes a 48MP main sensor, 10.5MP ultrawide, and 10.8MP 5x telephoto, delivering Google's signature computational photography. While great for photos, it's slightly behind the Pixel 9 Pro in raw camera capabilities. Battery life is solid but not groundbreaking, with a 4650 mAh battery, supporting 45W fast charging. Overall, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold is a strong foldable contender, but high pricing and minor durability concerns may give some buyers pause. Number 1, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 refines the foldable experience with a sleeker design, better durability, and upgraded performance. It's thinner, lighter, and features a more rugged hinge with improved dust resistance, IP48, making it Samsung's most durable fold yet. The 6.3-inch AMOLED cover display and 7.6-inch foldable inner display both support a 120Hz refresh rate, delivering a smooth and immersive viewing experience. Peak brightness reaches 2600 nits, ensuring great visibility even in bright conditions. Under the hood, it packs the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor with 12GB RAM, making multitasking seamless. Samsung's One UI 6.1.1 adds AI-powered features like real-time translation and enhanced multitasking tools. The 50MP main camera, 12MP ultrawide, and 10MP telephoto, 3x zoom, deliver excellent photos, though it's not as advanced as the S24 Ultra's camera system. Battery life has slightly improved with a 4400 mAh battery, but charging remains limited to 25W. Overall, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is the best foldable from Samsung yet, but its high price and minor camera compromises might make some hesitate. And that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you found this review of the top 5 best foldable phones of 2025 helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, and make sure to subscribe to Legit Tech Pick for more tech reviews and updates. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below with your favorite phone or any questions you might have. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.